Hey guys, it's me Harini again from Filtered Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a nice tawa naan recipe which is so simple and easy to make. So let's get started. So here I've got the ingredients ready. To this we can add self-raising flour, but if you don't have self-raising flour, I'm going to turn this plain flour into self-raising flour by adding some baking powder to it. So for 1 cup of plain flour, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So here I've taken 2 cup of flour. To that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and mix them. And I'm going to sieve this for 2 to 3 times so that everything get well combined. And the rest of the ingredients are some yogurt and some milk powder, milk powder is completely optional, but it adds nice taste to it, and some salt. Now I'm going to sieve this. So that's our self-raising flour ready. And to this, I'll be adding the dry ingredients first, which is salt and some milk powder, which is optional, but it adds nice sweetness to the naan. Mix well. And I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt for 2 cup of flour. I've mentioned the ingredients below in the description box. And I'm going to mix this well until everything is combined. If you need some water, you can add a little bit of water to make it into a nice soft dough. Here I'm adding like a tablespoon of water. So once everything is well combined, now I'm going to knead this for another 5 minutes. So on the countertop, dust some flour. And place the dough and knead it very well. Look how I knead it. That's called kneading. Set the kitchen timer for 5 minutes and then start kneading so that you know how long you've been kneading it for. So that's me done kneading for 5 minutes. And then place it back in the bowl and set it aside. And again sprinkle some flour on the counter. And take a small piece of dough and nicely roll them. It shouldn't be too thin. So I just roll them into a naan shape. And here I've got here I've got a tawa, and I've applied some butter to it, and I'm placing the naan. You can see how it's bubbling up. And now turn it to the other side. And for another 30 to 40 seconds, that's it guys. Done it. That's it. Your naan is ready. Now I'm applying some butter on the top. So that's your butter naan ready. And for the garlic naan, I've heated up some butter, shredded garlic and some coriander in a pan for like 3 minutes so that the garlic gets nicely cooked. And then I'm just applying some butter from the mixture. And once I turn over, I'm going to add the chunk of garlic spread on the top. And that's it guys. Your garlic naan is also ready now. And serve it hot with your favorite curry and enjoy. So see you guys in another video. Until then, it's bye from Harini. Bye-bye.